If you can turn the drum pretty easily, there's a good chance that your belt is off. Now, to verify that your belt is off, it might not be your belt, but there's a good chance that it is. So if your dryer is getting hot, these will still get hot, but the drum won't turn. And you can burn your clothes, you can damage a lot of stuff. So here's how to check it. All right, we're gonna go to the top. 2 Phillips screws, remove them. Then you're gonna grab the back here, or you can use a putty knife and push along here. It's easier just to grab the top and pull it forward and tilt it over. All right, your belt lives right here, and it's no longer there. So it's probably going to be down there at the bottom. So we're going to have to open it up, disconnect your, which is right here. Older models, you'll have to use a special flat blade. The newer ones, you can just pry with your finger, pull. 5/16, 2 of them. Then you lift the front off. I'm going to show you a trick that will help you so you can put the belt on without fighting with the drum. Basically, we're going to suspend the drum, keep it in place, put the belt on, and then you just put the face back on. Easy. All right, so this is what we're doing. Tie it off here. You can use a piece of wire or string, doesn't matter. Old strap. Now, normally I like it over here, but you're gonna have to take it off and slide the belt under it. So you should be totally fine there. It's gonna hold the drum. If you notice it's not holding that well, you can always move it here and then release one and then slide the belt under it and then put it back over it if need be. All right, so now 5/16. See that? And we got paid. Belt and pulley. All right, let's blow this out. See that? Now you don't have to fight holding the drum as you put the belt on. So much easier, guys. This is how you want to work. You want to work smart, not hard. All right, dryer's clean. Now we're gonna put the front on, and this is done. All right, the hardest part of this is pretty much these clips, and they fit right onto here. And the trick is you want to get the front of this. You want to get this section up under here, and you lift the drum, and then you set it back down on that. Also, if these are loose, go ahead and take them off and tighten them, because they're going to fall off on you and you're not going to be happy. It's not bad. They should be tight though and lined up. All right, let's get this piece on. Be careful, you don't knock these off. All right, let's get these screws in. All right, I noticed this one was very, well, this is good, but that one is not tightening up. So when you tighten it, well, that's pretty good now. Okay, tight. All right, so what I'm doing here, there was a lot of oil. When you do a lot of dryer sheets, you will end up with lots of oil. The oil will actually seal or make the opening on those screen basically solid to actually hold water. So we're using the torch and it works great. Just be super careful. Now be mindful, it has to be on metal screens. If they're not, it will not work. So be super careful, and it works just fine. I don't recommend you do it unless you know what you're doing. All right, enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching.